and they taste great and are fun to make. Let's make our chicken and vegetable kebabs. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to mix that together, and then we're going to pour that over 1 pound of chicken breast that we have cut into about 1-inch chunks. We're going to toss this around. We're going to cover it and refrigerate and let it marinate for about an hour. Our chicken is now marinated for an hour in the refrigerator, and we're ready to assemble our kebabs. Now I have prepared 1 red onion, 1 zucchini, a yellow squash, some colorful bell peppers, and some mushrooms that's been cut in half. We're going to want our vegetables to be cut into about 1-inch chunks. So we're going to start off by using a wooden skewer. Now you can use metal if you like, but always make sure and go by the package directions on how to prepare them. And we're going to alternate our pieces of chicken with our vegetables. This is the fun part. Got chicken, maybe a piece of onion, a piece of zucchini, another piece of chicken. I'm going to put on a mushroom, a red pepper, another piece of chicken, some yellow squash, and you're just going to continue until you have filled up 6 skewers. Our kebabs are ready, and we're going to place them on the grill, and we're going to cook those for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to turn them, and they should be close to being done. Remember, chicken isn't safe to eat till it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.